And as it felt, you rose to claim it. It was dirt, and it was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. There's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say they were never true. When the games you played, you would always win. But I said, fine.